So have you cut back your production? Have you downsized, got more efficient, had to lay people off? Is your compressor too big now? If a compressor is too large, it won't run enough to get hot enough to get the water out of the oil. That will lead to catastrophic failure and a lot of repair costs. On the other hand, if you've grown and added production, your compressor is probably no longer big enough, so you need a larger one. Or it might just be you need your pipe system redesigned. You can avoid the cost of a new compressor and the construction involved in installing it. We can help you with piping design, compressor sizing. We can do everything for you from the ground up. We can do a complete design build, or we can just change oil in a 1/2 horsepower compressor. We can do pretty much anything you need. Give us a call at 866-334-8881. Again, that's 866-334-8881. This is Ernie with Air-Vac Systems in El Cajon, California, serving the entire Southern California counties. So no matter where you're at, if you need a little help, give us a call. Thanks again.